Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most popular EVs on the planet, the 2026 Tesla Model 3. Known for its groundbreaking technology and strong performance, the Model 3 has become a global favorite among electric vehicle enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. The 2026 model builds on that success with a range of updates that make it sleeker, smarter, and more efficient than ever. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this Model 3 continues to lead the EV revolution. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 debuts with a refreshed exterior that maintains its minimalist DNA while adding a sharper, more futuristic edge. The front fascia has been slightly reshaped for better aerodynamics, and slimmer LED headlamps give it a more refined presence. Clean body lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, enhancing efficiency while delivering a modern look. Tesla is also introducing new color choices and wheel designs, giving buyers more ways to customize their car to match their lifestyle. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, the 2026 Model 3 continues to offer multiple configurations, from a standard range version to a high-performance dual-motor setup. Tesla has optimized battery chemistry for increased range, with some models now expected to exceed 400 miles on a single charge. Acceleration remains blisteringly quick, especially in the performance trim, delivering sports car levels of speed with the smoothness only an EV can provide. Updates to the suspension improve ride comfort and handling, making the Model 3 more balanced on highways and twisty roads alike. Safety and technology. Tesla has always led with innovation, and the 2026 Model 3 is no exception. The cabin centers around an upgraded, larger touchscreen with a more intuitive interface, while over-the-air updates continue to add new features and improvements. Enhanced driver assistance comes via Tesla's latest Autopilot and full self-driving software, offering smoother lane changes and improved traffic recognition. A new camera suite and radar integration boost safety, while the interior introduces upgraded materials, better sound insulation, and a premium audio system for a more luxurious experience. Conclusion. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 refines what has already been one of the most influential EVs of our time. With its sharper design, extended range, and smarter tech, it delivers a package that appeals to both eco-conscious drivers and performance enthusiasts. Whether you're commuting through the city or embarking on a road trip, the new Model 3 ensures you do it with style, efficiency, and cutting-edge innovation. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more automotive reviews, updates, and first looks at the vehicles shaping the future.